In controlled weather world, curious teen finds a glitch. Real clouds start forming unexpectedly. Teen collects one cloud in a jar. The cloud begins to communicate with teen. Cloud reveals secrets of Earth's past. Earth used to have natural weather cycles. Cloud shares stories of natural rain and sun. Teen learns about Earth's ancient ecosystems. Clouds had personalities and emotions. Natural clouds were full of life. Together, they explore forgotten climate mysteries. Teen hopes to restore true weather. They plan to share knowledge with others. A hidden network supports true Earth cycles. Teen discovers power of nature's voice. Cloud and teen become unlikely friends.